Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are here today to do a review, and we are reviewing the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation and the LA Girl Matte Foundation. These two foundations that are available at my store location for those of you guys who are new to my channel. Hey! My name is Crystal, owner of Obsessed Boutique in West Covina, California. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the Obsessed Beauty team. Before we get started, I really wanted to thank you guys for this past weekend for the Obsessed Lashes launch that I had at my store location. I also had a sale going on for you guys, so it was a win-win deal, showing support to my lashes, and I wanted to give back to you guys, help you guys save some money with some fun makeup products that I sell at my boutique. I heard a girl was here at 6 a.m. in the morning. That is a true supporter. Girl, I should have got your Instagram name. Now that's a boss ass bitch right there. That is enough rambling. You guys will get some details on these foundations right now, so let's just hop into this video. I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between the Pro Matte High Definition Matte Foundation by LA Girl. It's their newest one that they came out with. And also to the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Illuminating Foundation. So for some reason I always thought this was a matte foundation when it says illuminating right in the front. So I just really like the way it applied on my skin. I've been testing this foundation for the past week, and so far so good. I do see a huge difference between both foundations, so I really recommend this one if you have oily skin, and if you have dry skin, this one right over here. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of details on the LA Girl Pro Matte. It is 1 ounce of product that you're getting in the jar, and for the LA Girl Pro Coverage you're getting 0.95 ounce. Before applying foundation, I'm going to go ahead and take the First Base Primer Spray by NYX Cosmetics and just spray this on my face. Just love how hydrating it feels, and it blends really nicely with the foundation when the face is moist. Nice and moist. So first, I kind of want to show you guys how it looks with the matte, and the shade that I'm using today is 75 Medium Beige. I'm just gonna start blending. I'm not used to using a blender, so I'm just gonna take my original brush. This is by Boulevard Beauty Cosmetics in B5 foundation brush. And I'm going to take a little bit more on the back of my hand since my beauty blender absorbed it. And I do notice the huge difference on how matte this foundation is. You guys can see how it looks in the face, pure matte, no shine whatsoever. So that's how it looks on this side. Now you guys are going to see the difference on how illuminating this foundation is by LA Girl Pro Coverage. And for this shade, I am in 44 Natural. You can definitely tell that the illuminating foundation is a bit more liquidy compared to the matte. It's a little thicker. I'm just going to put it on this side right over here. So you can definitely tell that it is a little more radiant compared to this side right over here. You're not getting any shine, versus you're getting like a nice little glow on this side. So just depending on the look that you're going for, like I said, if you have dry skin, go for the illuminating foundation, but if you have oily skin, the matte one will work perfect for you. So far so good. We're just gonna go ahead and complete the look. We're just gonna go for like a soft little look today, just so you guys can see how much of a full coverage you are getting with both foundations. Because we're sticking to LA Girl today, I'm gonna go ahead and use their LA Girl High Definition Matte Pressed Powder. I think I'm gonna look for a different powder for this side because I forgot to do the concealer. Hello! 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 Go ahead and set my left side with the matte setting powder. And for this side, I'm going to go ahead and use Bare Minerals Illuminating Powder. And for the left side, we're doing everything matte, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and take the LA Girl setting powder. I've been using this as a bronzer and it's been working really well for me. I feel like it's really easy to blend in the skin. For the illuminating side, I'm going to be using the 20 watt, let's see if it has a name. It actually goes by numbers, 631, and this is a strobe light powder. It's a really pretty highlighter, but I like to use it as a bronzer during summertime. I feel like it gives me like that nice glow. I use very little, just dab it on, dust off, if there's any that comes off, and just kind of blending this over here in this area. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my Ben Nye banana powder and carve out my contour just to sharpen it up a bit. So we're gonna go ahead and take those same bronzing shades and use it as our eyeshadows. Now we're going to hop into the other eye and still using the same highlight powder, applying this to the face. As for my highlight, I'm going to be taking Ofra Cosmetics in Glow Goals, and trust me, this highlight is bomb. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to both sides. I'm going to go ahead and take that same highlight and apply some right over here. Same matte bronzer and apply some to our waterline just to add some definition, make our eyes look a little bigger. I wanted to show you guys this lip combo that I've been doing for a couple of my posts on Instagram. Oh, I feel like you can just see this pimple. So I've been using Chocolate number 806 NYX liner with Innocent Vixen by LA Splash. I did my eyelashes last so I can show you guys how natural and how beautiful these lashes are. These are my Line Obsessed lashes in Queen. These are my lightest lashes that you can go for. I love how wispy and crossed they are. Go ahead and start off with curling my eyelashes, adding some mascara. Then I'm going to go ahead and trim the corners of my eyelashes. Perfect, dude. I love these lashes so much. It just brought life to my face and to myself. Oh my gosh. Perfect. And we are all set. We're gonna go ahead and set our face with the MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so this is the finishing look. I just wanted to go for something very natural, something that we can wear on a daily basis. So on this side, it is the matte side with a little bit of highlights. And for this side, I'm kind of bad at angling on this side, but I hope you guys can see, or it's showing that it is illuminating. I'm not sure if it's showing or not. Me, for myself, and my personal opinion is I really, ooh, this is a tough decision because they're both really nice. I feel like, my personal opinion, on a daily basis, I would honestly wear the matte one just because I love that matte look. But during summertime, I like to do that dewy, glowy, nice, healthy skin vibe. So during summertime, I will be using the illuminating. So I feel like this is a perfect drugstore makeup that you can just grab if you're ever like in that mood to go for matte or more of a healthy glow. Use this one right over here. They're both really good formulas and very inexpensive. They're both $9.99, so you can get two for $20, and that's even cheaper than brands at Sephora or MAC. So this is a pretty good price for two foundations. What else? I guess that's about it. I hope you guys can get the comparison. They both look the same, kind of, in a way. I guess if you went up to a guy, he wouldn't even notice the difference. But we do. We definitely can tell. And let's see. I guess that's about it. If you guys are interested in purchasing some of these lashes, I will have the link down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye guys. You looking like you like lashes. These lashes are so pretty.